Hello guys, welcome back for the second part of this 2020 paper, summer paper, where we are doing MS Access database part of paper 2-1. Step 23 now. Using fields from both tables, produce a table or report that we're going to create a query for it. First, before starting any report, we have to create the query. Fine. Now let's go for it. First, just save this work and close it. Keep the this area empty over there. Now create query design. We'll go for query wizard. Okay, fine. It's already created. Okay, fine. This one. Sorry. Both tables we're going to add. Close. Okay. We don't need this. Okay, this is query 2. Okay, no problem. Now, what are the fields we require? Shows only the fields on the point we are to start with in any report design. First name, last name, gender, club, license. Where is that? First name, last name, gender, then what's next? After gender, club, license, points. Where is the club? Club, license, points, and ability in this order. Where is the ability? Here is the ability. Okay, then with data and labels displayed in full, do not group the data. Okay, fine. We took the list of all the fields. Just check over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, done. Now select the records where ability is elite or expert. Okay, this is a condition we have to set under ability. What is that? Elite or expert. Okay, elite, or just check the spelling over there of both values spelling, and then press or in between, then press enter. Save. We are going to save that, and we have to give a name to it. The query name, query 1, Q. I'll take what's the question number 23. Okay, save. Where is the one? Yes. Now I'm going to just check this whether my condition is added successfully or not, whether it's giving me the right output or not. Okay, so for that I have to run this. Okay, run the query. See, there ability is expert and elite everywhere. Same, expert or elite. Yeah, my query is working perfectly. It became 184 records. Okay, now let me go back and do further conditions. Let me work on the further condition. Gender is just female and license is yes. Okay, where is gender? Gender, here is gender, and it is just female. Enter there female with this right spelling. Then press enter. That's it. Now just save and run and check my this gender condition is working or not. Where is gender? This is a gender. Yes, all are females over here. And it became 43 records. Can you see? 43 records. Okay, now I have another last condition, that is license has to be yes. in criteria we're going to set. Okay, this is a criteria. Hope you can see my cursor over there. Yes, yeah, here, this is for criteria. Okay, under that particular column we are entering. Now I entered license is yes. Now save the work and run. All licenses are just yes. Now it became 31 records. Can you see there? 31 records. Yes, perfect. Now let's get back to design and let me check in the question paper what else there. Sort data in ascending order. This all of the report section. Okay, now let me end this query over here itself. Just save and close. Yeah, so I am with 31 records which are conditioned. Fine. Now I'm going to create one new report. For that, create report wizard. Make sure your query is open over there. See there, query 23. Now pick all the fields. Next. Yeah, this is next and next. You're here. There is something ascending, descending. Sorts the data in ascending, descending order of points. Descending order. Just click on that. It will toggle to descending. And points. Here's the points. Next. Now, what about the orientation? It's a portrait and it has to fit on a single page. It is portrait over here and it's adjusted on a single page. Next. Includes only the text top ability females as a title at the top of the page. Top ability females. Okay, now here's where I will enter top ability females, and now modify the report design. Finish. This is the design view of the report. Okay, I can just close this query. Okay, now let me see what is the last one. Has your name, center number and the candidate number on the report. Okay, this is a design view. Let me see in the layout whether my all the data is adjusted properly on the page. You see there, it's not visible. Okay, I have to adjust that here. I can't move this. Yes, here is the one. I'll just move this like this. Okay, and license here, then this is fine. Gender, here is the gender. Okay, just I'll adjust this a little bit so that it has a evenly arranged look. Okay, now it's fine. Whole data is visible. Here something is missing. At last, till the bottom you have to check. Okay, see there are some data. When you print it, that data will be lost. Means it won't be visible. Okay, fine. Now it's clear. Save. And it has to have our details. For that, we have to go back to the design view, and I'm going to enter our details on the top. For that, you have to take a label. Look at that. Under report design, there's a label. Click and drag over here on the top like this. Now, let me enter my details are there. My name, then center number and candidate number. Okay, and also you can highlight it. Just you can make like this, or change the color of it. Okay, and even we can make it a little bit bigger of this heading. Okay, and change the color and also we can make it to other format as well. Okay, save, and we can see that in the layout. Let me go back to design. Okay, or shall I make further down and just let it save, and we can see, sorry, we can see in the layout. Yeah, now it's looking better. Oh, my name is cut. Can you see there? Okay, let me go back to design. Hope this is fine now. Save and layout. Yeah, this is a final. Okay, and when you print it, how it is going to be print preview. It's going to be like this on the page. Okay, perfect. Now close, save. Now let me see what else I have to print. You're going to print that what just now we saw in print preview, that you're going to print it. Okay, fine, this is done. Now we'll go for 24th question. 24, 25. Okay, that's the end. 25 as 24 we are going to do right now. I'm going to close this. Okay, another report we are going to create. Okay, what's that? From here I'm going to start. Fine. And what's my data? Using fields from both the tables again. You have to create one tabular report. Okay, fine. Let me start with a query, another query. Create query design, and I'm going to pick both the tables. Close. Now, what is the field list I have to pick? This is the order, right? Okay, last name, first name, gender, age, last name, first name, gender, and what is that? Age. Category, club, event, rank. Category, then club, event, something, what is that? Event, rank. License, race, time, and lap time. License. Okay, where's license? License and race time and lap time. No, there is no lap time. There is no lap time. Oh, it's a new field. Lap time is a new field. Okay. In this order with data and labels are displayed. Okay, this point is done fully. We picked all in this order and every field. And this lap time we're going to work with now. Contains a new field called lap time, which is calculated runtime and displayed as an integer. Okay, this field will calculate the average time per lap. Okay, that is the meaning of it. Average time per lap. And how? Multiply race time by 1440 and divide by the number of laps. Format this field to display as an integer format. Okay, what is the formula there? What's the calculation? Race time by this means multiplication of these two. Okay, let me first get that. What is the name of the field? Lap underscore time as to be the last field. Now let me just get there. Okay, lap underscore time and colon. Okay, now I have to get race time, race underscore, where is the spelling? Race underscore time exactly it should be multiply by 1440, and then I have to divide this by something. Okay, for that let me just make a group of it that's inside the bracket. The whole thing should be divided by the laps, and that also we have to keep it in the square brackets laps. I guess there is a column name laps. Look at that. Okay, this is laps, and close the square bracket, press enter. Now let me see this my calculation and the new field is appearing or not. Save this. Okay, Q24. Now this square is 24. Now run it. Look at that. I have to change this to an integer. Till then it appear with all these decimal places. Okay, my new field is appearing with a perfect calculation. Now I will change that to I'll change that to integer. Fine, and select this the field new field. Go to property sheet, and here is the format. Here is the format to just fixed to decimal places 0. Okay, done. Close this, save. See there, lap time. Fine. Now what's next? Okay, this is done perfectly. Now let's go to the top. Select the records where club includes the text, bike includes the text. Okay, it's not the text, but it includes the text. It's a part of the text. Where is that club? Here is the club under criteria. This is the criteria. Yes, under club. Click there. Now it includes, for that we have to use like. Okay, like, and what is that? Bike. Just enter bike after like, then press enter. Save it, and let me just check, run and check club details are what in that column. Not coming. Sorry, I have to use the star. Okay, use the star. Save and run. 164. Where is the club? Here is the club. You see Tawara bike. So in every value there should be bike. That's what no they wanted. It includes bike word. Every value wherever the record is there having the club, that bike. See, all are there. 164 we got. Okay, next. Age is 40 or more. 40 or more. Here you see 164 records. Okay, so now we'll do further no, criteria age. So 40 or more. So more than or equal to 40. More than or equal to 40. Save and run. Age. See there? Now look at the number of records. It became 45. Now further, event rank. Event rank does not include DNF. Event rank does not include. Okay, means not like. Event rank over here. So not like. Okay, now quotes, double quotes, star, and what is that? What is the word we have to? DNF. It's only the term, right? Just not. Okay, double quotes, DNF. Okay, and double quotes. Save. That means they don't want DNF in the event rank. Where is that event rank? Event rank is a number. Event rank. Okay, now let's go for the third one, event rank, right? Here is the one. Event rank does not include DNF. So in the event rank, you see there are some DNFs in between. Can you see DNFs? That they don't want. So okay, now let's go. Here we are going to enter event rank that is not DNF. Okay, then press enter. Save and check. Run and check. Now you see under event only the numbers are left and all the DNFs gone. Okay, now the records became 41 over here. You see 41. Okay, fine. This point is done. Sort the data in ascending order. This is of reports section. Now we got a 41 record for the report to go, and we just save this and close. Okay, now we're going to start the report. Create a report wizard, and the query, which one? Query 23. Take all the columns or the fields. Next, it should be in a single line. Next and next. What is the sorting? Ascending order of gender, then descending order of age. Ascending order of gender, then descending order of what's that? Descending order of age. Okay, next. Now what about the orientation, landscape, and fits on a single page? Here landscape now and adjust on a single page. Now includes only the text Bike Club Veterans as a title at the top of the page, formatted so that it displays 28 black serif with all text fully visible. So Bike Club Veterans, let me just enter here. Bike Club Veterans. Okay, modify the query design. Next, this is the design, and we got a format, a particular format for this heading. Now let's do that. 28 serif black. 28 where is that? Go home. Here 28 and black. Sans serif, we can go for Microsoft sans serif. Here is the one we have, and then just, is this anything more? It should be fully visible. That's it. Okay, it's visible. Now let's move to the next. This is all done. Calculate the average age and displays this as an integer below the age column. And average calculation we have to do. Okay, fine. That'll do later. Let me just check the data in the columns. How is it? Whether it's clearly visible in the layout. I'm going to check that. Okay, see, look at that. I have to adjust for the printing. uh, from here I'll start. This is here. Adjust the column. From here to here. Yeah, here is long data, event rank, license, get this time something properly here adjusted. Evenly we have to adjust. Lap time, okay. Okay, done. Okay, just go to the bottom and check, is it clear, all the data? Fine. We have one calculation, small calculation. Let's see that now. Just save. Uh-oh. Save the work. Now let's go here. Average age, and under this age. Okay, now let me go to design. This is the one. Okay, just pull it down a bit. This is the age. Under this we have to get. Now go to report design, totals, average. Fine. Widen the column to see the formula of it. This is the formula, and also there is a label in front of it, average age of veterans. That is the label. For that, take a label here, place it over here, average age of veterans. Okay, here it's not fitting. Just select those two and just format it to just show prominently. Okay, and even we can use one column or there. Okay, now let me see in layout at the bottom. Go down. Oh, so we are gonna shorten this. Is it anything? An integer, look at that. You have to convert that to integer. Okay, we'll do that. Okay, let me go back, save. Here, view and design. Select it, then property sheet. Okay, format. Under format, again, we have to take the fixed one and for 0 decimals. Okay, now close it, save and check. In the layout, look at that, this is the one. We have to get that under this age. Okay, sorry, I'll just take it up. If I move this little bit, like this, Save. Now look at the bottom down there. Yeah, almost. Okay, save. Now what's next? Includes only your name, center number, candidate number in the footer of the report, so it appears on every page with no other data displayed, with no other data. Okay, save and print your report, and we are going to print this, and also we have to take evidence of the formula of the average. Okay, now what I have to do, just go to design. Let me see, let me just adjust this and take a screenshot. After that I will adjust it back because this is not seen properly here. So let me just take a screenshot, press print screen, take here, and you can just highlight it like this. Okay, copy. Now let me paste it in. What is the evidence number? Evidence, it is 7. Evidence 7 over here. Paste. Now let me go back and adjust this under the column. Save and check in layout. Later I have to add all my details, right? Okay, this is fine. Okay, now let me go back to design, and in the footer they don't want any details, just delete except our details. Okay, so delete rest all and place it over here. My name, center number, and candidate number. Okay, and we can highlight it, just going to just 14 black and bold. Okay, so save and check in the layout at the bottom. These are our details. Now see in print preview a final look. Okay, this will be printed. This will be printed on second page. Page 2 is there. Yeah, another page is there. See, the width should fit, not the length. Okay, yes, fine. This is the calculation. Okay, done. Now what's next? This is all done. Export the report created in step 24 in portable document PDF. Save the exported file in your work area, and evidence of saving file also you have to show. Okay, this is done. Close. Now what is that? This one I have to export as a PDF. Okay, as a PDF in my folder. Publish. Okay, this is opening over here. Just let me close, and I have to go to my folder, and I have to show that I saved it as a PDF. Look at that. This is the one. Here is the one. See here. Let me take the screenshot of it like this, and also have to highlight and show. Here is the one I have in the PDF format. Okay, Microsoft Edge. Okay, and save it, paste it in here as a 8th. Okay, this many we got the evidences. 25 is also done. Okay, this is the end of your 2020 MS Access, and you want to see the evidences. I can just, yeah, this is the first one, 5, 6, 7 and 8 till here. That's it. Okay, thank you.